Welcome to Kigo Disney Plus Video Downloader Video Guide. Click to set the output format, video quality and so on. From Advanced tab, you can set the video codec. Browse to find the video you want to download. When you open the video's detail page, the download button at the bottom right corner will turn blue. Click this blue download button. Kigo will automatically pass the information about this video. In the Seasons drop-down list, you can select other seasons episodes. Click Advanced Download to make more detailed settings for output video. Once the settings are complete, click the download button to start the download.